In this tutorial, we'll bring live HiveMQ data into Excel using edible cell references. The workbook already contains the broker settings, MQTT topics, and output table. Open the Field ConneXion ribbon tab and open the MQTT subscribe task pane. Choose the HiveMQ profile. TLS and port 8883 are configured for the HiveMQ Cloud. For the host reference cell C8, instead of hard copying the address, press F4 to make it absolute so it stays fixed when copied. Do the same for the username in C10 and lock both to column and row. Reference the password from C11 and keep that reference absolute as well. For the topic, use C18 without $signs. It must remain relative so it changes for each row. Choose D18 as the output cell and click OK. Field ConneXion creates the MQTT subscribe formula. After the connection is established, the first live voltage value appears in the worksheet. Drag the fill handle down to D26. The fixed connection cells stay unchanged. The relative topic reference advances row by row, creating a live subscription for every topic. That's it, from broker to workbook. Learn more at automationportal.com.